crazy like ramo.
Hello and welcome to the channel, guys. Today we have a new letter video. This box lunch limited edition exclusive Dragon Ball Z. This is a Funko Pop Vegeta, and also it came with a t-shirt. This one is large. Normally I wear X large. Why did I get a large for? I don't know. Anyways, yeah. Alright, this is the box right here from all the sides. I'm going to open it and check out that Vegeta. So now I need to go get me one for X large, because this one is small for sure. But anyway, see how it looks like. There's the t-shirt, came in plastic. T-shirt right here. It's a beautiful t-shirt. It's not like a bad quality. It's right over here with Vegeta, Cyan Prince, and also right here is Dragon Ball Z Pop. In the back there's nothing, and there's the Pop right here. Is Vegeta the Super Saiyan. Also is kind of like metallic on the suit for some reason. If you see it with me in there, like metallic. Is a box lunch exclusive. This is number 614, is right over here. I don't have none of those. I'm getting this one, this one, this one for sure. And this one also is pre-order. Chi also. All those are really cool. Alright, this was just the video of this exclusive I want to share with y'all. And this Pop is really cool. I like the glowing suit he have on, that Saiyan suit. That gold is really vibrant. It's not like normal color. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.